Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Dell Latitude E7210 2-in-1 detachable laptop. The Dell Latitude E7210 is a 2-in-1 detachable business laptop and is powered by the 10th generation Intel Core i7-10610U processor. This processor comes with 4 cores and 8 MB of cache and operates on a frequency of 1.8 GHz. It also comes with 16 GB of LP DDR3 RAM and 256 GB of SSD. And for display, it comes with a 12.3-inch Full HD touchscreen panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1280. It also comes with Intel's dual-band Wi-Fi 6 as well as a magnetic keyboard which slots on the side. I must admit, this is one of the sexiest 2-in-1 touchscreen detachable laptop that I've seen on the market. So let's do a quick unboxing and see what it looks like in the flesh. Alright, here we have the Dell Latitude E7210 2-in-1 detachable laptop. Let's have a look inside the box. Alright, okay, here we have the laptop itself. And let's see the laptop first. Okay, we have here wow, look at that. That is impressive. So let's flip it over this way. Wow, here we go. Very nice. It's quite thin, to be honest with you. Very nice. And here we have the self camera there, and we also have a rear camera at the back. Very nice finish. It's got us a nice silver, it's brushed aluminium here, very nice. And yeah, looks just like a tablet, but it runs off full Windows 10, and of course comes with a detachable keyboard, and I'll show you that in a sec. Very thin, as thin as a tablet. And you see we have the connectors there for the keyboard, some magnetic connectors. Very nice. So look at the connectors. Here we have the Kensington lock. We also have the USB 3. On the top here we have the power button right here on the top right hand side, and on the other side of the tablet we have the headphone jack as volume up and down. We also have an SD card slot, and then 2 USB-C, and one has a power symbol on there, so that's I guess where the power goes. And that is pretty much it. But yeah, very nice. Yeah, you can see it's full Windows. Yep, touch screen, very nice. And let's open Google. Let's move this around. Very nice. Okay, let's have a look at the keyboard. I'll put this on the side here. Alright, here we have the keyboard, and it's very thin, of course, and has a mouse pad here, mouse trackpad, and of course the full laptop size keyboard. And notice here we have the connectors for the matching the actual unit. So this basically clips onto the tablet itself and kind of like magnetic. We go just slot that. That's pretty much it. And then we have a closable laptop right here, and you can actually flip that around. Very nice. And that's pretty much it. It's got this nice rubber kind of connector right here. You can see the magnetic strip right here, and you can see it's quite strong. It's just auto kind of clips. That's pretty much it. Nice thin keyboard, low profile. Ooh, here we go. Alright, so if you want to have this screen stand up like this, at the back you see that there's a little latch which extends out like this, like that, and then that will then hold the screen in place vertically, so you can actually type that. Yeah, very nice. You can see that there, right there. This 2-in-1 laptop is powered by an Intel Core i7 10610 quad-core processor, and has 16 gigabytes of LP DDR3 RAM and 256 gig of SSD. Very nice. It also has the 12.3-inch Full HD screen, touch panel with a resolution of 1920 by 1280. Okay, so there you go. That was a quick unboxing of the Dell Latitude E7 210 2-in-1 detachable laptop. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the Dell Latitude E7 210 2-in-1 business laptop. A great business laptop that's super slim and comes with a ton of features. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy this via the links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.